Hello, and welcome to the Fishing, Hunting, and Farming Show. Today we are going to be talking about the importance of hunting and fishing. There are several invasive species in the United States of America, two being the wild boar and Asian carp. People hunt wild boar because wild boar are dangerous and devastating to farmers, not to mention the damage they can cause in woodland areas. Asian carp have been known to knock people out of boats. In some areas in the United States, people hold fishing tournaments for Asian carp, so Asian carp do not completely take over. Inbreeding is bad for any species of animal. It can cause a range of health problems. When a big breeding animal, like a male deer, is in one area and he keeps breeding and breeding, eventually the deer or other animal will start inbreeding, and this can cause serious health problems in the deer. Many landowners want people to come and take the big buck, so inbreeding doesn't occur. Another good thing about hunting and fishing would be population control. When an animal's population gets too large, they can deplenish resources, causing starvation and disease to spread. This can also pose a danger to humans because we drive cars, and animals sometimes run across the road and get hit by cars.